Hey guys, Matt from Billet Pro Shop here. Yesterday we posted a picture of some secondary guides that had some better times, and we mentioned our upgrade for these Coyote engines. And I've had a couple of people ask me if we're able to change them in place. So I'm going to show you guys how to do so. Just going to bring it over a little closer so you guys can see. How's that? Right here. There we go. Just watch you guys don't rip the gasket up front. So once that cover's off, you want to relieve the pressure in the tensioner. Just grab a hammer, push down on it until the oil seeps out. You want to grab a flat screwdriver, turn the guide 90 degrees, and unclip it. Old one is out. Grab your upgraded one. Snap it back in place. And make sure it's clipped properly. There we go. Done. And there you have it. Figure roughly 10 minutes per side to install the new guides. You'll have yourself an upgraded set that will last you at least a full season. We've used these in Gump and various other builds that we do over here. We have some methanol combinations. Other cars are running on ethanol. No issue whatsoever. Head on over to billetproshop.com. We have our Black November sale going on right now. 10% off all BPS products. No code needed. Add to cart to see your savings. Take care, guys.